Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Supabase for authentication. So first, you will have to log into your Supabase project and click the Auth tab in the sidebar. And from there, you can choose which login methods you want to enable, like email and password, or social logins like Google. To get started quickly, you will turn on email authentication, and then Supabase will now handle account creation, password recovery, and session management automatically. In your app, you just need to connect those login and sign up forms to Supabase auth system. And once users sign in, Supabase keeps them logged in and gives you access to their user ID, which you can use to personalize their experience. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.